The internet has changed how money is made. First, it was blogs, then YouTube, then crypto, NFTs, and faceless content. And now, in 2026, a new wave is taking over the creator economy: AI influencers. Not as a trend, not as a gimmick, but as a real monetization system. And today, I'll show you exactly how people are already earning with it using Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio and Higgsfield Earn. This is not theory, this is not hype, this is a full workflow from creation to payout. For a long time, content creation had one major barrier. You had to show your face. You had to be confident on camera. You needed expensive gear, editing skills, and a strong personal brand. Higgsfield removes all of that. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies right now, and their mission is simple: to become the most creator-friendly platform in the world. And they're doing that by launching two connected products that work together: AI Influencer Studio and Higgsfield Earn. One helps you create, the other helps you get paid. Let's start with AI Influencer Studio. This is not just another AI avatar generator. This is a full character creation engine. Inside Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio, you can design a completely original digital persona using over 90 configurable parameters. You control the face, the skin tone, the body type, the proportions, the aesthetic, the vibe, even the identity and presence of the character. This means you are not limited to normal presets. You can create hyper-realistic humans, stylized influencers, futuristic characters, or something the internet has never seen before. The character belongs to you, not a template, not a stock model, your own digital personality. What makes this powerful is consistency. Higgsfield uses advanced image generation models that allow your AI influencer to look the same across every post, every video, and every platform. That consistency is what makes audiences trust the character, and trust is what creates virality. Once your character is created, you don't stop at images. This is where Higgsfield's motion engine comes in. With a single workflow, you can bring your AI influencer to life using video generation. You add motion, you add expression, you add controlled movement. The result is a smooth, realistic video, up to 30 seconds long, in HD quality, ready to post on social media. No animation skills, no 3D software, no complicated timelines. Just generate, preview, and download. And if you don't want to start from scratch, Higgsfield gives you 13 ready-to-use AI influencer characters. These are fully editable. You can modify them, merge them, or combine presets to create something entirely new. Human mixed with creature, twins, unconventional anatomy, experimental designs. This is creative freedom at scale. Now here's the part that changes everything. Creating content is only half the story. The real breakthrough is Higgsfield Earn, because Higgsfield is not just letting you create AI influencers, they're paying you for the content you upload directly. Higgsfield Earn is the first monetization platform where creators earn money from the platform itself, not ads, not brand deals, not sponsorships. Here's how it works. You create AI influencer videos using Higgsfield. You post them on YouTube or Instagram. Then you submit the link inside your Higgsfield Earn dashboard. That's it. Your content performance is tracked, views are measured, engagement is counted, and you earn rewards based on how well your content performs. You don't need a big audience. You don't need to sell anything. You don't even need to talk on camera. The content earns for you. The setup process is simple. You log in to Higgsfield Earn. You connect your social account. Ownership is verified instantly, no manual approvals. After posting, you paste your video link into the dashboard, and as your content gains traction, your earnings start accumulating. This means you can focus on creating viral AI influencer content, while Higgsfield handles the monetization layer. Now, let me walk you through the full workflow from start to finish. Step 1 is character creation. Inside Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio, you design your AI influencer. You define their look, their style, their personality. This step is about branding. You're not just creating a face, you're creating a digital presence that people recognize. Step 2 is motion and video generation. You take your character and bring it to life. You generate video content using Higgsfield's motion engine. This is where static images become scroll-stopping videos. The motion feels intentional, the expressions feel real, and the final output looks native to platforms like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok-style feeds. Step 3 is generation and dominance. You click generate, you download your ready-to-post video. No editing required. At this point, you already have professional-grade content that competes with real influencers online. Step 4 is publishing and earning. You post your video, you submit the link to Higgsfield Earn, and your content starts working for you. This is why people are calling AI influencers the next creator economy wave. Here's the key insight. AI influencers don't get tired, they don't burn out, they don't age, they don't need reshoots. Once you build the system, you can scale it. Multiple characters, multiple niches, multiple platforms, all earning simultaneously. This is also why brands are starting to pay attention. AI influencers are predictable, controllable, and infinitely adaptable, and Higgsfield is positioning creators ahead of that curve. If you missed Bitcoin, if you missed NFTs, if you missed early YouTube monetization, this is another window, and it's open right now. If you want to start, I've linked everything below. Use AI Influencer Studio to create your character, then join Higgsfield Earn to start getting paid immediately. Build your persona, bring it to life, monetize it. This is not the future of content creation. This is already happening. If this video helped you understand how AI influencers actually make money, like the video, subscribe, and check the links in the description and pinned comment. And remember, in 2026, creators don't just go viral, they build systems.
Most people still think making money online requires luck, fame, or showing your face. But that era is quietly ending. Right now, there are AI influencers pulling views, engagement, and attention without being real people. And what's wild is that most viewers can't even tell the difference anymore. This is exactly why AI influencers are exploding. They look real, they move naturally, they feel intentional, and with the right tools, anyone can create them. Higgsfield didn't just build another AI generator, they built a system where creativity meets consistency, where one character can produce unlimited content, and where creators don't wait months to monetize. With AI Influencer Studio, you're not borrowing someone else's face or using recycled templates. You're designing a digital personality from scratch, how they look, how they move, and how they show up online. And once that content goes live, Higgsfield Earn turns views into payouts. No brand deals, no negotiating, no waiting for AdSense thresholds. You create, you post, you earn. That's the shift. This isn't about replacing human creators, it's about scaling creativity without burnout. One person, multiple AI influencers, multiple platforms, one monetization pipeline. If you're watching this in 2026 and still relying on only one income stream, you're already behind the curve. AI influencers aren't a shortcut, they're leverage. And platforms like Higgsfield are giving early creators the advantage before everyone catches on. The question isn't whether AI influencers will dominate content feeds, they already are. The real question is, will you be watching them or earning from them?